Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to redirect your domain to another website with Dataczar Connect. So first of all, let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to click Login. And let's get our username and our password. Okay, that takes us to the dashboard on the main menu. We'll get rid of this and we're going to go full screen. So to redirect your domain, you're actually going to go to the Domains button. But real quick, we're going to look at the website button. This is where our website builder is. We have post, pages, templates, appearance, and settings. If you go to the first feature tutorial video on the help button, it'll explain all that. But the website we have here is hikelesstraveled.com. And this is the website we're going to redirect. Let's take a quick glance at it right here. Now, many people redirect to an e-commerce site such as Shopify, Etsy, or BigCommerce. Other people will register similar domain names, like we could have maybe hikeslesstraveled.com. But they'll register similar domain names, and then they'll redirect these domains to their primary domain. So redirecting is actually a really great option depending on what you're trying to accomplish. Let's tab back over, and now let's go to the Domains button. Let's go ahead and redirect our domain. So on the main menu, you click on Domains, and then you click the Manage button right here. And then we're going to click on Advanced. Oh, no, we're not. We're on Hosting. We're going to keep on Hosting. Here's HikeLessTraveled. The website's on HikeLessTraveled. There's a drop-down right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this drop-down, redirect to another URL, and just for demonstration purposes, we're going to just redirect this to Dataczar. So what you do is you type in the complete URL, including the HTTPS, everything. You just copy and paste it from your browser, and then go ahead and click Update. And there it is. So it could take up to, I believe it's 24 to 48 hours for everything to cache, but it's going to cache right away. Let's go ahead and let's go back to the website. And we're going to go out of full screen now. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and refresh this. But one thing to keep in mind is when you redirect, you're redirecting to HTTPS, not HTTP, not HTTPS. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of the S. What you'll need to do is you'll need to clear your history and your browsing cache to view it, or you can view it on a different browser. But just clear your cache, clear your history, it'll come right up. So let's go ahead and enter that. And there it is. So it takes us to the Dataczar. So that redirect happened, that worked perfectly. And so let's go ahead and let's go back to full screen. Let's tab back over to Connect. And then after you're done redirecting, if you ever want to go back, you can always go back at any time. You know, you just click the Manage button right here. And then where it says on the redirect to another URL on this drop down, you can always put it back on HikeLessTraveled or back on your website, click Update, so you can, switch it back no problem at any time. And one other thing, I mentioned the Help button earlier. The Help button's really great. There's the Help Center right here. There's the feature tutorial videos right here. This first feature tutorial video, how to start building your website, 3rd edition. That's going to show you how to use the website builder. It's going to show you the post, pages, templates, appearance, settings, all that stuff. So make sure you take a look at that. Let's go back to dashboard. And that's it. That's how to redirect your domain to another website at Dataczar Connect.